up? It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker. You know what time it is. Okay, it's time for order in the court. Order in the courts, okay? It's me, your favorite attorney, Cooker Booker. You know what they say. If you in the cooker, call Allie Booker. You're in the cooker, okay? So let's have a conversation about what's going on. You guys already know how this works. You write me, booker@bookerlawfirm.com. Your question ends up on the show. Bring you to the court of my public opinion. We're not going to look at this as legal advice because I don't represent you and I may not have all of the facts that I need. However, I'm going to do the best job that I can with what I have. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. Order in the court. The Attorney General isn't serving papers to my ex. The AG finally is going after my ex for nearly $100K in child support. However, they've not served him and have not sent an order to serve him. I called the constable of his precinct and they never got the order. I let them know weeks before the date and they did nothing. The date came and he was not yet served and it was reset. Weeks later, he's still not been served, nor does the constable have the order. I gave the AG his current address. What can I do? We have a custody case as well, a petition to modify, and he has a lawyer. So I know he knows he will get served as it's on our case file, same case number. For some reason, though, they've served me and it only shows an order to serve me. She says a few more things, but I got it. Okay, guys, this is what we do. One of the things at my office that I assist people with are Attorney General cases where they cannot get service, okay? Guys, the Attorney General is moving as best as they can, but that is the government, okay? They cannot move quick, they cannot move swift, and they have a lot of cases. A way for you to get your child support case in front of the court is to get your own attorney so that you can file your own intervention or counter petition and get that person served for the Attorney General. There are times that I will step in, I don't do it much, serve for the Attorney General, withdraw, and come out. Okay? Now, normally my clients will not let me do that because they want me to continue on. But there have been times where I have done it, and it was in the past. Now, once they get comfortable, they want the assistance the entire way. But that is something that needs to be done. Guys, you're going to have to get your own process server, okay, and your own attorney to serve. That's just it. Because we can do substitute service motions. We can ask that it be served via Facebook. These are not things that the Attorney General is privy to or can do because they just simply don't have the manpower. So they run around and try to catch them with their same process server, and people can elude them sometimes. And a lot of the times they're eluded. And the case just keeps coming up and then it's dismissed because of no service. So, ma'am, go ahead and get your own attorney, girl. Get your own process server and walk him down. Okay? Process server will jump out the bushes for you if they need to. But you're going to have to get your own attorney to get that done. So you need a petition anyways. And I tell people this all the time. You don't allow the Attorney General to fight your case because they're not fighting your case. They're fighting the case for the state that you are in. Okay? So at any point, if your interests divide from their interests, they're just going to do what the state wants to do with respect to your child, which is not get involved in all the back and forth custody, which is not chase him and hunt him down to get served. You see how your interests are dividing? Because you're upset because you're saying the order's not at the constable's office and they're resetting the case. But it's in your best interest for him to get served. And so there are times where your interests are going to divide. Step it up a notch. Get your own people. Y'all know how to find them. Get them served at their mama's house. Serve their mama. Do whatever you need to do to get your day in court. Next case.
I think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.